Here is a question that someone asked recently. They were having a problem with water leaking from the base of the toilet. So they went ahead and removed the toilet tank to make sure that it wasn't causing the problem. And I'm guessing they disconnected the water supply line also, eliminating the chance of a water supply leak. And even though this toilet doesn't have any water in it, they said that theirs did, and that the water level in the toilet wasn't changing. It was not lowering, yet they were still having water leaking from the bottom of the toilet. So the first thing I need to point out is that they have a damaged wax seal. And you can see here where everything is flattened except for this area here, suggesting that this could produce a leak in this area. And to fix that, all you would need to do would be to add another wax ring or install a larger one. So the first thing I'm going to suggest that you do will be to remove the toilet, to check for a damaged wax ring. And my guess is that you have a partially clogged drainage pipe somewhere located in your home that will allow the water pipe to fill up with drainage water from other fixtures you're using in the home, like a kitchen sink or even your bathtub, your sink in the bathroom, or even a washing machine. And the easiest way to verify that would be to simply visually look to see if the water is rising out of the toilet drain pipe while using the other fixtures in your home. Now, when I say this is a partial clog or could be a partial clog, this would also suggest that the water level would slowly lower over time. If it was a fully clogged pipe, the water isn't going to lower as fast and could be coming out of the toilet bowl and not just leaking around the base of your toilet. And to fix this, you would get a drain cleaning snake, some type of a machine that is built and designed to unclog your pipes. Now, the next thing I need to point out is that if you have a septic tank, it could also be full. You could have a problem with that, or you could have a problem with your city or county drainage sewer system. So don't rule those two out either. And I'm not about to suggest this will solve your problem. If it doesn't, feel free to let us know what did solve your problem. Or if you're someone else who has had other problems like this, feel free to share those with us in the comment area. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on YouTube. And if you can't find the videos on YouTube, make sure that you visit our website to find a complete organized list of all of the videos we've made so far.